Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online class. Let us continue with the revision of coordinate geometry. Recap what we have done yesterday. We have learned about axis, origin, quadrant, and coordinates of a point on a plane. So these are the points that we did yesterday. In today's lecture, we will study about to plot the points of given coordinates on a plane. In this, we will revise how we can plot a point on a given plane or on a graph paper. Lines parallel to the x-axis, lines parallel to the y-axis. To plot the points of given coordinates. Suppose we have to plot the point P 2, 3. So here the name of the point is point P and the coordinates are 2 and 3. 2 is x coordinate and 3 is y coordinate. So let me write over here x and this is y, right? So the first step to plot a point on a graph paper is to draw the axis. So first we have to draw the x-axis. You can see over here. And then we have to draw the y-axis. We have to write the numbers also properly on the right hand side of 0. Here we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. That means positive numbers on x-axis. And then negative numbers on the left hand side of 0 on x-axis. You can see over here it is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. On y-axis, we have to place positive numbers above 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and negative numbers below 0, that is -1, -2, -3 and so on. So the first step is we have to draw the x-axis and the y-axis, and after drawing both the axes, we have to mark origin also over here, right? The next step, we will start with the plotting of this point. Here, the x coordinate is 2. So on the x-axis, we will first search 2. So we can see over here, we have 2, right? I am just putting a point on the axis so that we can plot the point. Now from 2, we can draw the line above the x-axis and even below the x-axis like this. So where we have to draw, where we have to move, upward or downward. For that, we will see what is the y coordinate given to us. Here it is given as 3. So on y-axis, we have 3 above 0, right? Upward side. So from 2, I will start drawing a line. And this line is parallel to y-axis. So from 2, I am starting drawing a line, dotted line. Okay. Here. And from y-axis, on y-axis, from 3, we will start drawing the line. Both these lines will intersect each other at a point, and this point is point P. We will write the name of the point and we will also write the coordinates as 2, 3. Okay, so what I did, first I have first I have located where is 2 on x-axis, and from there I have started drawing one parallel line, and this line is parallel to y-axis. And then from 3, where is this 3? This 3 is on y-axis. From there I have started drawing a line which is parallel to x-axis. You can see. And both these lines intersect each other over here. And this point is called as point P. We have to write the name of the point as well as write the coordinates in the bracket. So the steps for plotting the points, these are the steps. You can go through the steps. First, the x-axis and y-axis on the plane. Plane means graph paper, we can say. Mark the origin. Draw a line parallel to y-axis through the point on x-axis which represents the number 2. Through the point on y-axis which represents the number 3, draw a line parallel to x-axis. And the point at which both the lines intersect each other is point P. Go through the steps. Let us solve one example based on that. Draw the coordinate system on a plane and plot the following points. So they have given us few points and we have to plot this point on a coordinate system. The first point is L minus 2, 4. M 5, 6. N minus 3, minus 4. P 2, minus 3. Q 6, minus 5. S 7, 0. T 0, minus 5. So these are the points which we have to plot on a coordinate system. So you can see the graph paper over here. We have x-axis, we have y-axis, and let us mark the origin over here. Right. So let's start with the plotting. The first is L minus 2, 4. So the first coordinate is x coordinate and the second one is the y coordinate, right? So on x-axis, where is minus 2? Over here. Can you see? And on y-axis, where is 4? It is here, upward. So from minus 2, I will start drawing the line, dotted lines. And then from 4. And here I will mark the point as point L. And we will write the coordinates also in the bracket. Minus 2, 4. Now, let us move to the next point, point M, 5, 6. So on the x-axis, where is 5? Over here. And on y-axis, where is 6? It is over here, upward. So from 5, I will start drawing a line. And this line is parallel to y-axis. And this is our point M. In the bracket, we will write the coordinates 5, 6. The next point is N minus 3, minus 4. So where is minus 3? Over here. And on y-axis, where is minus 4? It is over here, downward, right? So from 3, I will start drawing the dotted lines downward. And then from minus 4. And here, both the lines intersect each other. So we have point N over there. And we will write the coordinates and the name also. Minus 3, minus 4. Now, the next point is point P and the coordinates are 2, minus 3. So on x-axis, where is 2? Over here. And on y-axis, where is minus 3? It is over here, downward, right? So from 2, we will start drawing a line below x-axis, right? And then from -3. And here we will put the name of the point, that is point P, and write the coordinates in the bracket 2, -3. Now, the next point is point Q, and the coordinates are 6, -5. So on x-axis, I can see 6 over here, and on y-axis, -5 is here, downward, right? Below x-axis. So from 6, we will start drawing the dotted lines till -5. And then from -5, so here we will put the name of the point as point Q and write the coordinates also 6, -5. Now, the next point is point S, and the coordinates given to us are 7, 0. Now, you have to be careful in this since we have 0, right? So, one of the coordinate is 0. It means the point is on the axis. So, here the y coordinate is given as 0. It means this point is on x-axis. So, the x coordinate is given as 7. So, on the x-axis, we have to search 7. Here it is, right? So I'm just marking over here point S and write the coordinates in the bracket as 7, 0. Now, the last point is point T, and the coordinates are 0, -5. Again, we have 0. It means even this point is on the axis. So here the x coordinate is 0. It means the point is on y-axis. So on y-axis, where is -5? It is over here. So I'm just marking a point here and I am writing the name of the point as T, and the coordinates also 0, -5. So this is a way how you can draw the coordinate system and you can plot the points which are given to us. Go through the sum. Now, let us solve one more example. On a graph paper, plot the points A, 3, 0, B, 3, 3, C, 0, 3. If you will see, there are 3 points and the name of the points are A, B, and C. We have to plot this point on a graph paper. Join A, B, and C. After plotting the points, we have to join these 3 points. What is the figure formed? And after joining these 3 points, which type of figure is formed? That figure name we have to write. So let's start with the plotting. You can see a graph paper on your screen. And I have drawn x-axis, y-axis, and then I have marked the origin also. Now start with the plotting. A is 3, 0. So since it is 3, 0, the point is on the axis. Y coordinate is given as 0. It means the point is on x-axis. So on x-axis, we can see 3 over here. So I will just put a point and I will write the name of the point which is given to us as A, and write the coordinates in the bracket 3, 0, close the bracket. The next point is point B, 3, 3. Means x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is also 3. So on x coordinate, I can see 3 over here, and on y coordinate, we can see 3 over here, right? So from 3, I am drawing a line which is parallel to y axis and I am moving upward, right? Because on y axis, they have given us 3 and 3 is above x axis. So let us move slowly. So here we have a point B. And in the bracket, we will write the coordinates 3, 3. The third point is 0, 3. And here, since we have 0 in the x coordinate, x-axis, the point is on the y-axis. So the y coordinate given to us is 3. So on y-axis, where is 3? It is over here, right? So I'm just marking the point and I'm writing the name of the point over here, C 0, 3. After plotting, we have to join these points, A, B, C. So let us join. You have to do this with the help of scale, ruler, not with hand directly. No. After joining, now which type of figure is this? If you will see, all the sides are equal. Here it is, here it is, here it is, and here it is. All the sides are equal, right? So which figure has all the sides equal? It is a square, right? So in the answer, we will write square. Square has all the sides equal. So this figure is a square. Go to the sum. Now let us move to the next concept, lines parallel to the x-axis. So if a line is parallel to the x-axis, then how we can write the equation of that line that we are going to learn. Okay. So first, on a graph paper, plot the following points. Again, they have given us the points A, B, C, D, E, F. We have to plot these points on a graph paper. So you can see a graph paper on your screen, and here we have drawn the axis also. Here we have drawn the axis also. You can see x-axis, you can see y-axis. Numbers are also written and the origin is also marked. Now let us start with the plotting. The first point is point A and the coordinates given to us are 5, 4. So on x-axis we have 5 over here and on y-axis we have 4 over here. So now I am directly plotting that point. It will come over here, right? When we will start drawing the line, like this, from 5 and then from 4. So it will come over here, right? So now I am just marking that point directly on the graph paper. Right? So we have point A over here. I'm writing the name of the point as point A. And the coordinates also 5, 4. 5, 4. Next, B 2, 4. The next point is B 2, 4. So the x coordinate over here, it is 2 and the y coordinate is 4. So on x-axis, we have 2 over here and on y-axis, we have 4 over here. So when you will start drawing the lines like this, the point will come over here, right? So I'm writing the name of the point over here and it is B, right? B and the coordinates are 2, 4. So I'm writing the coordinates also in the bracket. Next, minus 2, next point is C, minus 2, 4. So on x-axis, we have minus 2 over here and 4 is over here. So the point will come over here, C. And write the coordinates in the bracket, minus 2, 4. The next point is D, minus 4, 4. So on x-axis, we have minus 4 over here. And on y-axis, we have 4 over here, right? So the point will come over here. So I'm just writing the name of the point over here and the coordinates in the bracket, 4, 4. Sorry, minus 4, 4. The next is point E and the coordinates are 0, 4. Since we have 0, it is on the axis and x coordinate is 0, it means the point is on y-axis. So on y-axis where we have 4, it is over here. So here we have point E and the coordinates are 0, 4. Now the last point is point F and the coordinates are 3, minus 4. So 3 we have here on x-axis and 4 we have over here. So I'm marking point F over here. Since I'm not having some space over here, I'm just rubbing it. This 2, 4 and I'm writing it below. And this is our point F. And it is 3, 4. Now, what can you notice about all these points? All the points are on a same line. Let me draw the line also. Right? Can you see this line? DA. So what can you notice about these points? All the points are collinear. If you will see it carefully, all the points are collinear. Second, the y coordinate of every point on the line DA. Can you see D over here and A over here? So the name of this line is line DA. So the y coordinate of every point on this line is 4. See, the y coordinate of D is 4. The y coordinate of C is 4. You can see here also. The y coordinate of point E is 4. The y coordinate of point B is 4. Or the y coordinate of point F is 4. So the y coordinate of every point, even point A has y coordinate as 4. So the y coordinate of every point on the line DA is 4, right? So we can describe this line by the equation y equal to 4. Okay, so whenever you have to describe any line by the equation, you can you can describe that in this manner. In other words, what I can say in simple words, you have to see this line. This line is passing through which coordinate? See, this line is passing through which coordinate? It is passing through 4, right? Now, this 4 is on which axis? Y. So, you can write the equation of this line as y equal to 4. So in other words, or I can say in simple words, what you have to see? You have to see that the line is passing through which coordinate first and write that coordinate. And then see that coordinate is on which axis, write the name of that axis. Huh? One more thing, this line is parallel to x-axis. You can see over here, right? Just go through the some concept. Now, let us move to the next one. Line parallel to the y-axis. Now we did lines parallel to the x-axis. Now we are moving to the next concept. When in case if a line is parallel to y-axis, then how we can describe that line? On a graph paper, plot the following points. So they have given us the points as P, Q, R and S, right? 4 points. So we have to first plot these points on a graph paper and then let's see how we can describe this line also. So here you can see a graph paper. I have drawn x-axis, y-axis and even the origin I have marked on the graph paper. Okay. So the first step for plotting is to draw the x-axis, y-axis and then mark the origin. And after that go for plotting. So let's start with the plotting. Name of the point is P and the coordinates are -4, 3. So -4 is our x coordinate and 3 is y coordinate. Always you have to remember the order. The first one is x and the second one is y. X coordinate, y coordinate. So here the x coordinate is -4. Where we have -4 on x-axis, it is here, right? And the y coordinate is 3. Where we have 3 on y-axis, it is here. So when you will start drawing the lines like this, both the lines will meet over here. And here we have point P. So how I did in the last sum, in the same manner, here also I am plotting this point directly. Directly means without drawing these lines. Okay. Now, I am just writing the name of this point over here. The name is point P. And the coordinates are -4, 3. Right. The next point is -4, 0. Now here we have 0. Means it is on the axis. Now the point, the x coordinate is -4. So on x-axis, we have -4 over here. Right. So here is our point Q. I am just writing here Q and the coordinates also in the bracket -4, 0. Right. The next point is point R and the coordinates are -4, 1. So on x-axis, we have 4 over here and on y-axis we have 1 over here. So the point, if we will draw the parallel lines, then the point will come over here, right? So I'm just marking the point and I'm writing the name of that point as point R, and the coordinates in the bracket -4, 1. Next point and the last point is point S, and the coordinates are -4, -2. So on x-axis we have -4 over here, and on y-axis we have -2 over here downward. So if we will draw the parallel lines, if we will draw the dotted lines from -4 and then from -2, this both the lines will meet over here, right? So we have our point over here. So we have to draw directly. I'm just erasing it. So here we have point S and the coordinates are -4, -2. Okay, now after plotting, we can see that these 4 points are on the same line. Can you notice this? So let us draw the line over here. Okay, can you see this line? All the points are collinear. All the points are collinear. And what about the x coordinate? If you will see the x coordinate of all the points P, Q, R, S, it is -4. You can even see from here. See here we have -4, -4, -4 and -4. Okay. Or you can see over here also. See. So we can describe this line PS by the equation x is equal to -4. Now, let us see in the simple words here. This line we have, right? This line is passing through which coordinate? It is passing through -4. So first I will write -4, right? Now this -4 is on which axis? It is on x-axis, right? So I'm just writing x over here. So I got the equation of this line as x is equal to -4. I'm repeating one more time. First, we have to see this line is passing through which coordinate? It is passing through -4. So I'm writing here -4. Then it is on which axis? X. So I'm writing here x. X is equal to -4. So we can describe this line by the equation x is equal to -4. Just go through the concept. If a line is parallel to y-axis, we can describe it by the equation x is equal to -4 or whatever the coordinate it is on the x-axis. Now, points to remember. This we have done just now, and we have to remember these points. First one, the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is in the form y equal to b. So this we have to remember, that the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is in the form y equal to b. B means the coordinate on the y-axis. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is in the form x is equal to a. Right? So these are the points that we have to remember. It will help us to solve the problems. Just go through the points. The equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is in the form y equal to b. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is in the form x is equal to a. Now, let us solve one example from the book. Write the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to its left. So let's see. On a graph paper, we have to draw first x-axis, then y-axis, and then mark the origin also. Okay. Now, this you can do directly also. There is no need to draw the graph. But if we will draw the graph, it will help us to better understand the sum. For the better understanding of the sum, we can draw the graph in the rough also, or we can do it in the rough and then we can write the answer. Okay. So here it is given that the line is parallel to y-axis. So here you can see y-axis over here, right? So parallel means it can be on left hand side or it can be on right hand side. Okay. Now they have specified us that it is on left, right? So here we have y-axis. So left means over here on this area. Now they have given us the distance as 7 units. So from left we have to go to the 7 units. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the line is over here. Let me draw it first. Okay, can you see this line? This line is parallel to y-axis. And even this line is at a distance of 7 units, right? Now, we have to write the equation of this line. Now, how we will write? We will first see the coordinate. What is the coordinate over here? This line is passing through which coordinate? It is passing through -7. So I will first write -7. Okay. Now, it is on which axis? It is on x-axis. So we can describe this line, or we can write the equation of this line as x is equal to -7. Or you can do in that other way also, like now this line is passing through which axis? It is passing through x-axis. So first you can write x, then equal to. Then see which coordinate it is. It is -7, passing through -7, right? So you can write -7. In this way also you can do, first write the name of axis and then write the coordinate. So here we got the equation of this line as x is equal to -7. So that answer you have to write. The equation of line is x is equal to -7. Okay. Just go through the sum. Now let us move to the next one. Write the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. This is similar sum what we did just now. It is similar to that only. So for this, again, we will take an help of a graph paper. On the graph paper, we will draw x-axis, y-axis, and then mark the origin. Now, let's begin with the sum. The line is parallel to x-axis, right? So here we have x-axis. So the line can be above x-axis or the line can be below x-axis. Now here they have given us below. Means the line is below x-axis. Now what is the distance given to us? It is given us as 5 units. So from 0, you have to go downwards. Huh? And till where? Till 5 units. So here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, then 4, then 5. So the line is over here. Let me draw the line. Now we have to write the equation of this line. So first we will see this line is passing through which axis? It is passing through y-axis, right? So I'm just writing y over here. Then put equal to. I'm repeating again. This line is passing through which axis or it is intersecting which axis? Y. So I'm writing y. Then which coordinate it is passing through? It is passing through -5. So I'm writing y equal to -5. So I got the equation of this line as y equal to -5. Y equal to -5. Right? Or you can see like this also. Since the line is parallel to x-axis, the equation will be in the form of y equal to b. Right? Y equal to b. That we have done in points to remember also. Since the line is passing through x-axis, the line is parallel to x-axis, the equation will be y equal to b. So first write the y, and then in b you see the distance that is given to us. Here it is given as 5 units and it is below. So below we have negative numbers, right? So because of that, we have to write -5. So in this manner also, you can do directly without drawing the graph, or you can take the help of graph and you can write the equation. In both the manner, you can do whichever you feel easy. Okay. So if the line is parallel to x-axis, the equation will be in the form of y equal to b. If the line is parallel to y-axis, then it will be x equal to a. Okay. So you have to write x and then a means the coordinate. So whatever is given that you write. In the previous sum, it was 7 units, right? So we have written x is equal to -7. Now here it is given as 5 units. And since it is parallel to x-axis, we have to write y equal to -5. Just go through the sum. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Have a good day.
Yes, teacher. Thank you.